Alright, quick breath before you scroll past. You know that itch you get when your setup feels one step behind your ambition? That's exactly where this starts, with the CyberPowerPC Gamer Master. This is for the kind of person who wants consistency, not chaos. You don't want to babysit your system or negotiate with settings every time you sit down. You care about things feeling solid, dependable, and ready whenever you are. You've moved past the phase of tolerating hiccups. Before you get pulled in, take a moment to check the current price and stock. Desktops like this don't always stay where you last saw them, and waiting usually turns into a "why didn't I" moment. There's a very familiar upgrade realization here. You launch a game or start stacking tasks, already expecting the usual compromises. Lower a setting. Close a background app. Hope nothing spikes. And then it just runs. Smoothly. Calmly. That's when you realize how long you've been working around weaker hardware. Once you step away from older systems that constantly flirt with their limits, the relief is real. You stop planning sessions around what your PC can handle. You stop worrying about updates breaking your flow. You just use it. You feel it during long gaming nights when performance stays steady instead of slowly degrading. You feel it switching between work, browsing, and play without that creeping lag. You feel it when friends jump into a session and your system doesn't suddenly become the loudest thing in the room. Even casual use feels better when your PC isn't under constant strain. This isn't about chasing extremes. It's about balance that actually works in real life. Everything feels responsive without feeling fragile. Like the system was built to be used, not tiptoed around. If you're even considering it, don't wait too long. Stock shifts and random price bumps tend to show up right after you decide to think about it. You might hesitate because it doesn't scream excess. That's the point. It gives you enough headroom to enjoy now without paying for power you'll never touch. You stop second-guessing your choice because it simply fits. The surprise benefit shows up over time. You trust it. New games feel exciting instead of risky. Your PC becomes something you rely on, not something you manage. There's a quiet satisfaction owning a setup like this. It feels practical, confident, and aligned with how you actually live and play. Runs smooth without fuss, handles modern games comfortably, feels responsive day-to-day, easy to live with long-term, doesn't demand constant tweaking, not built for extreme enthusiasts. Upgrades may tempt you later. Eventually, the comparison loop ends. You realize you've been circling the same option because it already makes sense for you. Don't let this be another upgrade you delay while your current system keeps reminding you of its limits. If this matches where you are right now, check availability and move forward with confidence.